Generate authentic voiceovers with your own voice. The text-to-speech tool in the UniConverter 16.5 has a new voice clone feature that you can use to clone your voice. Then you can use this voice for any of your voiceover generation projects. If you don't have the UniConverter yet, be sure to do so because every new user will get 500 AI credits in a 7-day free trial, so everyone could experience the AI features to the fullest. This promotion is only available in English, however, but you'll find more details in the description. So here is how to use the voice cloning feature. Open the UniConverter and find the text-to-speech tool. Then in the upper right corner, click on the voice clone button. In this window, you'll have to make a recording of your voice. If you're on a Mac and you have an iPhone, you can use that as a microphone, but your built-in one or any other external one will also do the job perfectly. But the important thing is that the recording has to be done through the UniConverter's interface. You cannot upload an existing recording. Then here you have the reference script that you're going to have to record. To record, click on the red button here, and after the countdown, start reading. Be articulate and clear with your speech, don't rush through the text. Remember, by reading this out loud, you're giving data to the tool to process and essentially clone your voice. So the more articulate, the more clear you are with your speech, the better the result will be. You will have to record at least 10 seconds of this text, but the maximum is 1 minute and 30 seconds. Make sure that you're recording in a quiet place and that the microphone's quality is good enough. When you're done with the recording, you have to accept this agreement here and then click on clone. When the process is finished, the voice will be saved in the library here under the cloned menu. Should the cloning process fail, no AI credits will be deducted. Now, the great thing about the voice clone feature is that you can create multiple tones. What do I mean by that? Well, you can read out the same text in a more authoritative and confident way, or you can read it out in a shy way. There isn't a limit of how many tones you can record. As long as you have AI credits, you can record as many as you'd like. Now, when you're converting a text into speech, you can choose this clone voice to create a voiceover in an instant.
This is a voiceover generated with my cloned voice. Isn't this crazy? Sounds like me.
So if you think that this is something that you're going to use, make sure that you leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. And in case you have any questions, problems, leave them in the comment section. We're going to answer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video, guys.